Yo, what's good? Today I'm gonna go over the two trades I took, one being a win and one being an L, and how I made $200 profit over those two trades. So the first trade I took was on ES. This big wick right here. I'll just delete this. This big wick right here was at 5:30 or well, at 5 when I think news came out. So I created that big wick up, then came down. Usually when I see these big wicks up on news and comes back down the other way, I want it to come back that way. So market opens here, came down, retest, come back up, but I was using Fibonacci's retracement, marked it out to or no, this one at 6:30 right after market open. Drag it over to here. I then saw it come down to the zero, bounce back up, also create a fair value gaps in here, right here, it's fair value gap. So when I saw it hit here and then come back down off this wick, I entered at the bottom of this wick. Right here, stop loss was just above here. Take profit was down here at previous lows. If I zoom out, previous low. Go back. Came down to the fair value gaps, but created an uptrend. Didn't break past these lows, so then came back up and swept through there. So also swept through this one, but came back to this one. But if I entered at the very top of this wick, say like when it first hit there, would have been a lot closer. Also been a lot better trade. So what I could have done better here is just entered better. If I entered at the top of this, oh, it's like just there. If I entered at the top of this wick, then I would have made it, but still was right, had the right idea, just not the perfect execution. So I lost 500 on this trade, but then the next trade I took was on MNQ. Same thing, had that marked out. This down here was an order block that I have marked out. So that was an area that I was looking for, like here. Then it came through here, fair value gap too. It created in there. And then this was the trade I took, but it also had this Fibonacci's retracement. Came down, touched the red, came down. So after that, entered at the bottom of the order block. It was still in, if I go to the 5 minute, it was still in, or this massive fair value gap here. So it didn't come through there yet, but after that, I was very confident once it broke through all those at this candle, this big black candle right here, and then came back up a little bit down. The recording crashed, but I'm gonna finish this quick. Came down after the order block, and after this, I was looking for shorts. Came down, entered right after that candle, closed out of the order block. Short came back up a little bit, but still was in a downward